It's time now for the Word on Wall Street. Top investors watching your money. Joining me now is Sanctuary Wealth Chief Investment Strategist Marianne Bartels. Also with us is Michael Lee Strategy Founder Michael Lee. Great to see you both. Thank you so much for being here. And I want to kick things off with you, Michael, with markets this morning fractionally higher ahead of the Fed meeting. President Trump raised antitrust concerns over Netflix's planned $72 billion takeover of Warner Brothers, warning that the combined market share could be a problem. Watch this.
Well, that's got to go through a process, and we'll see what happens. Netflix is a great company, and they've done a phenomenal job. Ted is a fantastic man. I have a lot of respect for him, but it's a lot of market share. So we'll have to see what happens. And when they have Warner Brothers, that share goes up a lot. So I don't know. That's going to be for some economists to tell, and I'll be involved in that decision.
The deal is now facing scrutiny from the Department of Justice and from Congress as the Justice Department prepares for a lengthy review. Prediction markets now are pricing in a sharply lower chance that this acquisition closes by the end of 2026. Big news here, Michael. Your thoughts?
Yeah, look, it's looking like this deal will be a large breakup fee payout and not a deal completed unless several concessions are made. And Netflix, in this case, is a little bit of a victim of their own success in that there are lots of streaming services out there, but Netflix is far and ahead the leader in the pack here. But look, from the markets as a whole, this is a good sign to see these deals going. These are typically signs of strong markets when you see large acquisitions like this. And now that the government shutdown is over, the repo markets have somewhat healed. We're back to quantitative easing versus quantitative tightening, with the rate cut looking likely on the way very shortly. That stocks are back off to the races in that so much of equity markets are led by leverage, by the repo markets, and we saw a draining of liquidity during the largest government shutdown ever. So historically, government shutdowns have done very little to affect the markets, but this, however, was the longest shutdown ever. And I think we will see new highs in stocks by the end of the year, particularly a lot of recovery in some of the tech stocks that haven't quite gotten back to their October highs. So I'd be looking to buy up and down the AI spectrum and any of the names you like there as the markets are just off to the races now.
Well, I mean, look, you heard what Jamie Dimon just said. I wrote it down. IPOs backlog is huge. M&A backlog is huge. I mean, that's what he just said to us. Marianne, markets